Ugh, peeling potatoes can be such a drag. Imagine you spend all of this time painstakingly peeling your potato with a traditional peeler for your favorite side dish. When you finally think you've peeled the whole potato, that you've reached the end of the tunnel, you look down to find out that it's only half peeled, and the only side dish that you're going to be feasting on is a nice big helping of wrist pain.
One hour later.
And look, after all of that time, all of that wrist pain, all of that suffering, your potato is finally peeled. But one thing has changed. You're not hungry anymore. No, you're hangry. And there's nothing worse than being hangry with a mess on your hands. Because using a traditional potato peeler just lends itself to projectile motion, you find peels all over your wall, all over your coffee table, and then you find yourself trying to scoop up the peels into your hand just to carry them over to your trash can, and now your hands are dirty again. Doctors everywhere agree that traditional potato peelers are just not ergonomic. They can lead to awful things such as carpal tunnel syndrome, Dequervain's tendinitis, carpometacarpal arthritis, and tendinopathies. Don't put yourself through this. You don't deserve it. But the problem is solved, which is why we present to you the single-step potato peeler. Just like your favorite apple slicer, simply place your potato on our patented spike, push the peeler down, and voila, a freshly peeled potato.
The single-step potato peeler allows you to peel a potato with one downward motion. The blades are on 5 separate springs, allowing the peeler to form to any potato, no matter how oddly it is shaped. You simply put the peeler on the top of the potato and add pressure to the handles until the peeler has reached the countertop or whatever surface you may be using. The peels come off in easy-to-clean strips. If there is any peel left on the potato, simply rotate the peeler and repeat the process.
The plastic components of our peeler will be made out of durable PET plastic that is food safe and dishwasher safe. These plastic parts will be formed via injection molding, which is also used to make your favorite Lego pieces, bottle caps, and DVDs. The springs will be made out of zinc metal for extrusion molding. The razor blades will be manufactured from stainless steel sheets through grinding and polishing. When you're finished using our product, cleanup is quick and easy too. Simply sweep your discarded peels into the trash can and you are all done.
Now on to why our peeler is the superior product. The patented stainless steel spike will be coated in a food-safe blue coloring. This will provide a high contrast, ensuring the safety of the user so that they can recognize the spike easily while placed in their drawers. After all, the safety of the customer is one of the highest priorities that can be taken when designing a product. The spike will also feature a soft rubber covering similar to that of a sharp knife so that when it is stored in the drawer, it does not pose a hazard. There will also be 4 suction cups on the bottom of the spike to serve as both stability for the food product and to hold the spike in place on a variety of surfaces. The spike can be placed on cutting boards, countertops, bars, or many other level surfaces. However, in order to be used properly, it should be placed on a level surface to provide stability. The 4 suction cups on the bottom of the spike will be made of PVC plastic and will be outsourced. The total cost of raw materials are featured in this chart. The base will be made out of PET plastic and the spike will be made out of stainless steel. The springs will be made out of zinc-plated aluminum and the blades will be outsourced. The total cost of raw materials will be 51 cents for both the springs, the steel, as well as the PET plastic. The total cost of labor can be seen on this slide. The total cost per unit for the base is $2.20, and the total cost per unit of the spike is also $2.20. The setup time is estimated to be an hour and a half per cycle, and 10 products are going to be produced per cycle, making the total cost of labor $4.40. On this slide, you can see the total cost per piece of the base peeler as $2.63 and the total cost per piece produced of the spike to be $2.28. Thus, the total cost to manufacture and produce both the spike and the peeler is $4.91. Retailing for just $9.99, this creates a profit margin of 50.8% with a profit per unit yielded as $5.08.
So don't hurt your wrist with the unappealing traditional vegetable peeler. Instead, the single-step potato peeler can be yours for a very low price of only $9.99. The single-step potato peeler is available at many different retailers, including, but not limited to, Don't be a hater, buy yours today.